In this video, let me show you how to use the Robinhood recurring investment feature. So if you want to invest on a regular basis and don't want to do it manually, in this video, let me show you how it is done. So within the platform of Robinhood, just pick the asset that you're trying to invest in and simply tap on the trade option. Now, once you tap on buy or trade, you'll be taken to a similar interface where you need to head over to the option which is on the top, and by default it may say anything for you, or it may also say dollars. So you simply need to tap on this drop down menu on the top right. Now, once you're inside of this section, you'll see two options, the buy orders or the conditional orders. And right here, you should be able to see the option called recurring investment being displayed. Now, keep in mind that certain assets might not have this feature enabled. In this situation, as you can see, recurring investment feature is grayed out. In your case, this may also be the case, but it is not the case for most assets. So you'll be able to simply tap on the recurring investment option, and then you'll be able to pick from a specific frequency such as daily, weekly, or even bi-weekly, and then select your funding method, which could be your existing buying power inside of Robinhood, or you can also link a external bank account. So this is the exact method that you need to follow in order to use the Robinhood's recurring investment feature. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.